Okay, question 18, we're asked to solve the simultaneous equations where 4x plus y is 25 and x minus 3y is 16. Now to solve this simultaneous equation, we're going to have to eliminate x's or y's. Just from a quick look at it, I can see that the y's are probably easier to eliminate, so I'm going to times that first equation by 3. So I'm going to times everything in that equation by 3 to get 12x plus 3y equals 75. I'm going to leave the bottom equation alone, so x minus 3y is still equal to 16. I'm going to draw another line underneath them, and what we're going to do is we're going to add these two equations, because if we add them, the 3y is going to cancel out with that negative 3y, and that gives us 12x plus x gives us 13x, and then 75 plus 16 is going to give a 91. Okay, now we're going to have to divide both sides by 13. Now this can be a little bit tricky. How many times does 13 go into 91? What you might want to think of is think of the 3 times table, and what would you divide, what would you times 3 by to end up with a 1 on the end? I know 3 times 7 is 21, so 13 times 7 is actually 91. So I know that x is going to be 7 here. So now we know what x is. We're going to substitute that value of x back into one of the equations. I'm going to substitute back into this equation because this is the easiest one to use. You can do either, but it is easier to use the bottom equation because we've got a single value of x. So we know that 7 minus 3 lots of y is going to equal 16. I'm going to take 7 off both sides. So I know negative 3y is going to equal 16 take away 7, which is going to be 9. And I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3y. So that means y is going to equal 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So I know that x is 7 and y is negative 3.